Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Taurus. Let's see what's coming up, guys. We'll be picking few cards, guys, for your daily energy, for your career situation and your love energy, Taurus. So this is for your daily energy, Taurus. This is for your career situation and this is for your love energy. And we'll be picking one card from the Rumi Oracle Guidance. So we will keep this card here aside, guys. So let's start with the daily reading, guys. So for your daily reading, it's the Lovers. So in your situation today, guys, it may be something relating to your personal life. You have this love and you are moving towards this perfect union with this person. So you have that passion, intimacy in this connection, and in this relationship you enjoy that great compatibility and a deep communication, guys. That is what this card is about. And maybe for some of you it may relate to your work situation also. If it is something in your work situation, you may be going into some partnerships with some business, other business, and it also denotes that you have overcome your tough situations today, Taurus. You have overcome your trials and struggles, whatever your situation is, and you have that trust in yourself and you have made the right choice today in your situation, guys. So that is what this card is about for your general reading, guys. So this may relate to your career situation or personal life. So what is the card for your career situation, Taurus? It's Knight of Sons. So with this card in your career situation, it just means that you are taking some important decisions maybe, and you are not sure about your future. You don't have that firm conviction about your future, about something, and you may be moving into some kind of an adventurous mode in your career. Maybe you are taking up some new choices what you never thought of before, and maybe for some of you, you may be traveling, making travel plans based for your work actually, and you are making some important decisions to maybe something which you never did before, maybe some choice that is new, which may be an adventurous choice or which may have an unknown future. So you are not firm about the future that choice holds. You have that undecisiveness in that choice. So that is what that card is about, guys. So in your career, maybe you are moving to a different place, guys. That is what I see, Taurus. So what is the card for your relationship? It is the Empress in reverse, guys. So again here in your personal life, guys, this person, they are overwhelming you with too much love, attention, and they are showering their love. They always want to be there with you. Maybe some kind of addictions they may have towards you. So maybe for some of you, you are their addiction. They just want to cling to you, maybe physically even for some of you. So that may be stressing you. You are a person of independence. You want time alone. You want your own time, and you want your time, space, and freedom. So that may come in between you in this connection, guys. That is what I see with these cards, Taurus. So what is the card for your Oracle Guidance, guys? The Rumi Oracle Guidance. We will turn the card. Dance of the Divine Feminine. So with this card may or may not relate to our situation, guys, but it is a general guidance. So if we take this guidance, it will help us every day. So that is what this card is about, guys. So this card comes with a special message, guys. There is something you are holding on to, a person, place, a thing, a belief or a vision, but you need to let it go because that wants to grow, guys. That may change and grow into something utterly different that you cannot imagine. So whatever that growth is, whatever that is going to come in your future, it will be much greater and greater than what you have visioned for yourself. So you just need to let go of your expectation and wait for things to unfold in a beautiful way, guys, in your life. So this is the time for accepting that being and focus your attention in your heart and realize that you are ready to take that next step. So all you need to do is give up that expectation you have about something in your situation today, guys. So if you give up that expectation, so how things unfold will be much greater and much beautiful, and it will be better for you, guys, and it will give you better results. That is what this card is about, and that is the reading for your Taurus. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, Taurus. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.